Hi, I'm Tia Solsen for another episode of Daily Tea. Today we're outside and we had a great time barbecuing. It's raining now actually, and of course we don't bother about the weather when we're actually enjoying a good cup of tea. And what to do better when you have a barbecue and have coal and fire to just bring this iron kettle. Just put it on the fire and we've got our hot water, with which I'm making some great organic sencha today. I've already made a first infusion, so I'm doing a second infusion. And look at the beautiful tea leaf. We don't really have the setting and we can't really go sit out in the grass because it's pouring rain, but still we enjoy our cup of tea outside. So if you, for example, have such an iron kettle at home and you're going out barbecuing, just use the coal that you're using for your barbecue to heat up the water. It's perfect. And it's a lot of fun. So, I'm going to enjoy my tea out in the rain. Still pretty hot in Japan, but having a good warm cup of tea is very enjoyable. See you on next episode of Daily Tea. Goodbye.